Your bathroom is so much smarter than you think. No, really. At first glance, it's just a room for, well, but look closer, and you'll find it's a secret laboratory of everyday science and clever engineering. Almost everything you touch is designed with hidden principles that make your daily routine smoother, cleaner, and more efficient. From the toilet you use to the towel you dry off with, each item is packed with science. So, are you ready to uncover the genius hiding in plain sight? Let's dive into 10 bathroom items that are way more high-tech than they appear. First up, the dual flush toilet. You've probably seen them everywhere, but do you know how they actually work? It's not just a cute button design. These toilets are engineered to save massive amounts of water using two distinct pressure systems. The smaller button releases a smaller volume of water, perfect for liquid waste, using a siphoning action that's quick and efficient. The larger button unleashes a full volume flush, creating a powerful vortex to handle solid waste with ease. This simple choice saves the average household thousands of gallons of water every year. It's a brilliant example of conservation engineering right in your home, turning a simple flush into a calculated, resource-saving action. Next, let's talk about your toothbrush. Ever notice how the bristles aren't just straight? They're angled, they're different lengths, and some even have little rubbery bits. This isn't just for looks. The bristle design is a masterclass in oral hygiene engineering. Those angled bristles are specifically designed to reach deep between your teeth and get into the tricky spots along your gum line where plaque loves to hide. The varying lengths help clean the entire surface of your tooth at once. The goal is to remove as much plaque as possible without damaging your sensitive gums. So that complex bristle pattern is a carefully crafted tool, engineered for maximum cleaning power and minimum damage. It's oral care science in your hand. Now, let's move to the shower. Love a long, hot shower but worry about your water bill? Meet the Showerhead Flow Restrictor. It's a tiny, unassuming device, but it's a huge player in water conservation. This little piece of engineering limits the volume of water that can pass through the showerhead per minute. But here's the clever part. It does this while maintaining a feeling of strong water pressure. How? By forcing the water through smaller openings, it increases the velocity of the spray. So you feel a powerful, satisfying shower experience, but you're actually using significantly less water. It's a classic case of doing more with less. A simple yet effective solution that saves water and energy without sacrificing comfort. What about that annoying moment when you step out of a steamy shower and your mirror is completely fogged up? Some mirrors have a built-in solution for this, an anti-fog coating. This isn't magic, it's chemistry. The surface of the mirror is treated with a special hydrophilic coating. Hydrophilic means water-loving. When warm, moist air from your shower hits the cool mirror, it normally condenses into thousands of tiny droplets, which is what we see as fog. But this hydrophilic layer prevents those tiny droplets from forming. Instead, it forces the water to spread out into a single ultra-thin, transparent sheet. Your mirror stays clear because the water is still there. You just can't see it. It's a clever bit of surface science that keeps your reflection crystal clear. If you've enjoyed uncovering these everyday secrets, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. We're only halfway through, and the science just gets more fascinating from here. Your support helps me reveal more hidden genius in the world around us. Stick around. You won't want to miss what's next. All right, let's get back to it. Have you ever considered the shape of a toilet seat? It seems pretty basic, but there's a lot of ergonomic and fluid dynamic thought put into its design. The curvature isn't just random. It's meticulously shaped for comfort, distributing your weight evenly to avoid pressure points during use. But there's another, more subtle purpose. The slight inward curve of the rim and the shape of the bowl are engineered to prevent splashing. It directs the flow of water during a flush and any other liquids downward into the bowl, minimizing messes and keeping things more hygienic. It's a perfect blend of human-centered design and practical physics, making the experience both comfortable and clean. Now for something you probably use multiple times a day, the soap dispenser. Whether it's a pump or an automatic sensor. The magic is in the valve. This tiny mechanism is a one-way street for soap. When you push the pump or trigger the sensor, the valve opens to dispense a measured amount of soap. As soon as the pressure is released, it snaps shut, creating a seal. This prevents air and germs from traveling back up into the soap container. Why is this so important? It keeps the soap inside sterile and free from contamination. So every time you wash your hands, you're getting clean, uncontaminated soap, thanks to that clever little valve preventing backflow. It's a small but crucial piece of hygiene engineering. Let's talk towels. What makes a towel so good at drying you off? It all comes down to the weave. A high-quality towel isn't just a flat piece of fabric. Its surface is covered in thousands of tiny engineered loops. This is usually a terry cloth weave. These loops dramatically increase the towel's surface area. Think of it like a dense forest of fibers. When the towel touches your skin, these loops act like tiny sponges, trapping moisture through a process called capillary action. Water is drawn into the spaces between the fibers and held there. The more loops and the longer they are, the more absorbent the towel. It's textile science designed for maximum moisture trapping efficiency. Next, look at the faucet on your sink. See that little screen at the tip? That's a sink aerator, and it's another unsung hero of water conservation. Its job is simple but brilliant. It mixes air with the water stream. As water flows through the aerator, it passes through a mesh screen that breaks the single stream into many tiny droplets, while simultaneously introducing air into the mix. This creates a fuller, whiter, and softer feeling stream of water that doesn't splash as much. The best part? You're using up to 50% less water, but it doesn't feel like it because the aerated stream gives you the sensation of a much higher flow rate. It's a simple, elegant solution for reducing water waste. What about the stuff between your tiles? Grout does more than just fill the gaps. Its chemical composition is specifically engineered for the high humidity environment of a bathroom. Modern grout contains special polymers and antimicrobial compounds that actively resist the growth of mold and mildew. Bathrooms are a breeding ground for these unwanted guests, but the grout acts as a first line of defense. It's designed to be water resistant and durable, preventing moisture from seeping into the walls behind your tiles while actively fighting fungal growth. It's a chemical engineering solution that keeps your bathroom looking clean and staying healthy, built to withstand constant exposure to dampness. Finally, let's unroll the science behind toilet paper. It might seem like the simplest product, but there's a delicate balance to strike. You want it to be strong enough to do its job without breaking, but also soft enough for comfort. This balance is achieved through ply layering and micro-embossing. Multiple thin layers or plies are bonded together. This layering adds strength and thickness. The little patterns you see embossed on the surface aren't just for decoration. This micro-embossing process creates tiny air pockets between the plies, which increases softness and absorbency. It also helps the layers cling together. It's a subtle but sophisticated manufacturing process to create the perfect balance of strength and softness. So, which of these hidden scientific marvels surprised you the most? Was it the anti-fog mirror, the clever towel loops, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll be back to reveal even more everyday science in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it.